What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair, giving you another tool review on the Endeavor Tools hammers. So we're going to start with Dave Johnson's signature dingbat crown killer. I had Dave's prototype hammer for the last couple years, and I used it a ton on big crowns on the roofs, stuff you needed to move a lot of metal. So Dave got hooked up with Chad from Endeavor Tools. They decided to come out with a production model of this bat. And all it really is a miniature bat. You can get it at a standard baseball stadium. Had his logo printed on it, has a good grip, nice comfortable grip on here. It's got great weight, great balance. Been using it with the Kiko tip, the big slapper tip. It seems to move a lot of metal, and where you need it to move it in the crown area. For me personally, it was something I needed in my arsenal. I'm known for doing big smashes and a lot of roofs, so this gets used weekly. The couple additions that Chad has added to this tool is it's got a threaded nutser. And what this threaded nutser does, it's a little more stable. Dave used to almost set a nutsert inside of here, and he was having trouble with them coming loose. So Chad machined this threaded nutsert. It seems a little more stable. It's just a really good tool if you do big damage. Really can't complain. There's no way to really refine it. The price point's right. I think this one's on the Endeavor Tools website for $50. So if you need something to move big smashes or big crowns, it looks ridiculous. It's something to talk about in the shop when you have it out there. Everybody's asking why you're using a bat, and then they look at it and they're like, oh, okay, that's a useful tool. So check it out, the Crown Killer. Chad's signature club. This is another tool that you get the looks in the shops. They're always asking, what is that? And it's got multiple functions. So you can use it to beat on crowns like this with this knockdown that actually comes out. So, or it can hold your knockdown for you. You can use it like this to knock stuff down on like a standard knockdown. It also has a threaded insert in here to add whatever knockdown or slapper tip or whatever you would like. Has this logo etched in it. Super comfortable and balanced in your hand. It's another tool that's, if you don't have it and you don't use it, you'll probably never buy it. You almost have to get it in your hand to see the benefits of this. I like it because it consolidates tools. I can just grab this instead of grabbing a knockdown and a hammer. It's all in one. It's got a rubber tip at the end. That's what I use sometimes on some of these crowns if I have it on my side. The usefulness of the actual knockdown, I catch myself using this knockdown more and more just by itself. It's got a screw-on tip, standard tip size, black O-rings right here. It works really well. I mean, it's another tool that's made out of like a plastic Durloin material. So it's $150 for both. I do believe you can get the knockdown itself separate. But check it out, Endeavor Tools. Chad's just a dent guy, just trying to put out some products that he thinks will actually work. It's in my arsenal. It's in my go bag every day. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.